Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" No strings attached. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Imagine you're at a restaurant, and the waiter offers you a free dessert. You accept, but when the bill arrives, you see that the dessert is not free. You're confused and uncomfortable because you thought there were no strings attached. But what does "no strings attached" really mean? No strings attached means that there are no special conditions or obligations attached to something. It's often used to describe a situation where something is given or received without any expectations or commitments. To remember the meaning of "no strings attached," think of it as a gift with no strings attached. It's a straightforward concept that means there are no hidden conditions or obligations. Let me give you an example story. You meet someone at a party, and you hit it off. You exchange numbers and agree to go out for coffee. You both agree that it's just a casual meeting with no strings attached. You're both free to continue seeing other people. And there are no expectations or commitments. Fun fact number 1, the idiom "no strings attached" originated in the early 1900s and was used to describe a puppet show without strings. Fun fact number 2, the idiom is often used in advertising to promote free trials or samples with no obligations. Fun fact number 3, the opposite of "no strings attached" is "with strings attached." Here are 5 example sentences. 1. I'm giving you this gift with no strings attached. 2. I'll lend you my car with no strings attached. 3. The job offer comes with no strings attached. 4. I'm happy to help with no strings attached. 5. We're offering a free trial with no strings attached. No strings attached means that there are no conditions or obligations attached to something. Without any strings attached, it's a gift or offer with no hidden conditions. I once received a scholarship with no strings attached. It was a huge relief because I could focus on my studies without worrying about any obligations. Similar expressions include unconditional and unrestricted. Opposite expressions include with strings attached and conditional. Related idioms include off the hook and cut the cord. Quiz 1. Which of the following best defines "no strings attached"? A. An obligation. B. A gift with hidden conditions. C. A gift with no conditions. Answer, C. No strings attached means that there are no conditions or obligations attached to something. Quiz 2. What is the opposite of "no strings attached"? A. With strings attached. B. Unconditional. C. Free. Answer, A. The opposite of "no strings attached" is with strings attached. Quiz 3. What is a related idiom to "no strings attached"? A. Off the hook. B. In the bag. C. Over the moon. Answer, A. A related idiom to "no strings attached" is off the hook. In summary, no strings attached means that there are no special conditions or obligations attached to something. It's a straightforward concept that's often used to describe a situation where something is given or received without any expectations or commitments. We'd love to hear your story with the idiom. Make an encouraging phrase using "no strings attached."